Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, this is Saida coming back again to you live and direct to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. So I got my first batch in. We're going to be doing a taste test. So this is my second batch. I just wanted to show it to you. Hopefully you can see it. They're so pretty. Nuts and the zest in here, and I got that brown butter on top of there. Oh, they smell so good. And then this is just one that is basically the brown butter alone, although one of them does have their own zest. So I'm getting ready to put this in, and then give me a moment here and I will get a taste test going. I hope they turn out good. Fingers crossed. Okay, everything is done, and this is the beautiful little new cake stand. New cake stand that I received. You can't really see it. It looks like doilies are on top of it and whatnot. So, and I do have my other batch in. So, just want to show you these. You really can't see them, but they all smell so delicious and so nice. So I'm going to do the taste test. Wish me. No. So I'm going to start with one of the plain ones. Didn't come out too bad. I don't have a big muffin top, but that's okay. It's okay. So let me just see how this tastes. Did I put something on top of here? I can't remember. Nice. It looks moist. Looks nice. Okay. Nice flavor. Tastes like a cookie though. I don't know if that's bad or good. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full. That's good. That one does. I don't think I put any butter on top of that one. I don't think I put butter on top of that. Just this one and the ones that are inside, I think. But very good, nice and orangey. So let me get this one. So this is, sorry for the lighting. Is that me? Anyway, so this is one with orange zest and those crushed nuts on top. Let's see. And those nuts, I caught one of them in the bottom of the pan, and it was so good because it was, you know, nice and toasted. I didn't want to toast them. I would have toasted them, but the thing is they had all of that chocolate on them and things like that, so I didn't I chose not to toast them. So this is the one with the butter and the brown. Yeah, this always makes the difference. This brown butter on top of here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there's none on top of those. That always makes the difference though. Wow. Very, very delicioso. So that's the one with the nuts and the brown butter. Nice, moist, flavorful. I would have liked to have more orange bits inside, but I put that zest on top. Zest, and so next time I'm going to put this, even though I have used the orange marmalade, and although the orange marmalade does have the orange rind in it, I'm going to put that zest throughout there too, and use all 3 oranges, because I did buy 3 oranges for the recipe, but I decided not to use it. But well, I'm sorry. These are going to be so nice with some nice bacon in the morning. Honestly, of course, I'm gonna eat a couple of them tonight because I'll have dishes. Because I love the way, and I think I love about making muffins. They take about 15 minutes to get done, 15 to 20 minutes. So you're not you know, although I like to do my cleaning in the meantime, in the between time, I didn't even really get a chance to do my cleanup. But nonetheless, that's one thing I love about muffins, because it doesn't take but a few minutes to mix them, and then on top of that, it doesn't take but a few minutes for them to get ready. So yeah, so these are my muffins. I wish my lighting was better, but I do apologize because it is late. If I tell you what time it is, you won't believe it. But so I'm getting ready to do my cleanup. I thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Love you very much. Let's continue to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. Be sure that we do not err. Those who are in the faith, be sure that you're walking with God and obeying Him, and being careful to stay close to Him. Continue to seek Him while He may be found, because at night, when night cometh, no man can work. Oh, I wanted to show you my my shoes. Let me see if I can do that. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so here are my new cool slippers, and as you can see, they're red and green, and they, look at there, you see what they're doing? Isn't that cool? They can be red or green, or I can make a design in them if I want to. So thank you again, the life of this housewife. All right, guys, have a great night. Yeah, it's late. It's not even night anymore. It's morning now. Love you. Bye-bye for now. Oh, this is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Bye-bye.